Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best multimeter leads is probably one of the most overlooked tools in your kit, but trust me, they're essential. Today, we're diving deep into the world of multimeter leads, specifically the ones from Klein Tools. We'll explore why these leads are a must-have for any electrician, DIY enthusiast, or anyone who needs to measure voltage, current, and resistance safely and accurately. Get ready to upgrade your testing game. Number 5. KAIWEETS Silicone Test Leads Kit for Multimeter. This test lead kit is designed for safety, rated for Cat 3 1000V and Cat 4 600V. It's perfect for use with multimeters and clamp meters, ensuring safe and accurate readings. The kit includes alligator clips, needle probes, and mini hooks. These interchangeable connectors allow it to adapt to various testing scenarios, making it a versatile tool for any job. Made with double-insulated silicone, this kit is built to last. It remains flexible even in freezing temperatures and is resistant to heat, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. The wire core is composed of 105 PCS 0.001 mm copper wires and nylon yarn, providing excellent tensile strength and bending resistance. This ensures low resistance and superior electrical conductivity, making it ideal for electricians. The test leads are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, down to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. You can rely on it to perform consistently, even in harsh winter conditions. Plus, it comes with a 36-month after-sale service. What we like. This test lead kit offers universal compatibility with various multimeters, thanks to its interchangeable connectors. It is made of high-quality silicone, ensuring durability and flexibility even in extreme temperatures. If you are looking for a versatile and reliable test lead kit for different testing scenarios, you should consider this one. What people say. These seem at least as sturdy as the original Fluke leads. Rated for 1000V and the extras are crazy. These leads fit the Fluke multimeter perfectly and are nice and supple and easy to use. Number 4. Multimeter Test Lead Set with Alligator Clips. This set features 42 pure copper core wires, easily handling 10A currents. The nylon wire inside ensures it can withstand thousands of bends without breaking. This design prevents leakage issues. Constructed with flexible PVC PA material and double-layered insulation, this set is built to last. The silicone is non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and meets UL and RoHS standards. This ensures the leads are durable, flexible, and resistant to both freezing and heat. The pure nickel-plated copper test lead tips provide solid contact and quick, stable measurements. The kit protects against dust and oxidation, ensuring an efficient and stable connection. With Cat 0.2 1000V ratings, this set safely tests 10A currents. It's ideal for general measurements. The 2mm 10A alligator clips work perfectly with a 20A meter probe. With over 10 years of experience in multimeter accessories production, you can trust in the quality. This product is designed for reliability and performance. What we like. This set features a high copper core for efficient current handling and a durable silicone string for longevity. The premium test tips ensure stable and speedy measurements. If you are a professional or a DIY enthusiast who values accuracy and durability, you should choose this one. What people say. The leads are very flexible and the probes are sharp. The silicone insulation is a great feature. The leads are well made and durable. Number 3. Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Kit. This kit is designed to help you with all your electrical testing needs. It includes everything you need to get the job done right, safely and efficiently. The multimeter measures up to 600V AC/DC voltage, 10A DC current, and 2 ohms resistance. It's a versatile tool for a variety of electrical tasks. This allows you to accurately measure different electrical properties. The MM300 multimeter features visual and audible indicators for continuity testing. This makes it easy to quickly identify if a circuit is complete. The indicators provide clear feedback. The NCVT1P has a bright LED that changes to red and produces audible tones when voltage is detected. This allows you to detect voltage without physical contact. This feature enhances safety. The NCVT1P also features a bright red LED and audible tone for detecting voltage in the range of 50 to 1000 VAC. It provides clear indication of the presence of voltage. This is crucial for safety. Klein's CAT. No. RT105 detects wiring configurations and identifies common wiring faults. It helps ensure that outlets are wired correctly. This is an essential tool for electrical work. What we like. This kit includes a versatile multimeter capable of measuring various electrical parameters. It also features continuity testing with visual and audible indicators, along with a non-contact voltage tester. If you are looking for a comprehensive electrical testing solution with multiple functions in one package, you should consider it. What people say. The auto-ranging feature makes measuring voltage, current, and resistance quick and accurate, while the clear digital display ensures readings are easy to read. It's especially handy for pros who want to save time and effort by having fewer tools to lug around. Has a lot of functions, very easy to use, and even tells you where to put the leads for any particular setting. Number 2. Klein Tools CL120VP Electrical Test Kit. This CL120 clamp meter measures AC current and NCVT using its clamp. It also measures AC/DC voltage, resistance, and continuity with test leads. This allows you to get a comprehensive reading. The auto-ranging technology selects the correct measurement range for accurate results. This ensures that you get the most precise readings possible. It's designed to make your job easier. It has a test lead holder on the side and is compatible with an optional magnetic hanger for hands-free operation. These features are designed to make your work easier and more efficient. The RT210 detects common wiring issues in standard and GFCI receptacles. It can identify problems like open ground and reverse polarity. This helps ensure safety. The NCVT3P features dual-range capabilities to detect a wide range of AC voltages. This makes it suitable for various applications. It's a versatile tool. It includes a built-in flashlight to illuminate your work area. This feature works independently of the voltage detection function. It helps you see clearly in any situation. The ET40 tests both AC and DC voltages at multiple levels. This provides comprehensive electrical testing capabilities. It is a complete solution for your electrical needs. What we like. This kit features a versatile clamp meter for measuring AC current and voltage, resistance, and continuity. It offers auto-ranging for accurate measurements and convenient features like a test lead holder. If you are an electrician or someone who needs to measure current without breaking the circuit, you should choose this one. What people say. This is a nice set. It comes with a lot of items and work flawlessly. Haven't used it much, but when I have it feels well built, feels good in your hand and works as described. The Klein Tools CL120VP Electrical Voltage Test Kit is an indispensable toolkit for any handyman or electrician embarking on DIY projects around the house. This kit comes with 3 testers, versatile leads, a protective pouch, and batteries, providing comprehensive testing capabilities in one portable package. Number 1. WGGE WG011 Test Lead Kit for Multimeter. This is the WGGE WG011 Test Lead Kit. It includes soft silicone test leads and safety alligator clips. They are designed to work with multimeters from brands like Fluke and Astro AI. The kit comes with 2 soft silicone test leads, 2 threaded safety alligator clips, and 2 threaded alligator clips. You'll receive them in 2 different colors, black and red, for easy identification. The test leads are made with high-quality materials. They are durable, flexible, and resistant to both freezing and heat. The lead wire is 40 inches long, with a total test lead length of 47 inches. The safety alligator clips have a jaw opening of 0.5 inches. The threaded alligator clips have an 8 to 32 threaded barrel connection. They are rated for 10 amps and are designed for safe and reliable use. This kit is IEC certified for Category 3 installations up to 1000V. It connects your multimeter to a device for testing. The leads can withstand temperatures as low as -68 degrees Fahrenheit and won't stiffen in the cold. It comes with a 24-month manufacturer warranty and 24/7 customer service. This ensures you are covered if anything goes wrong with the product. What we like. This kit includes soft silicone test leads and multiple clip options for versatile use. It is also IEC certified for safety. If you like a test lead kit with multiple accessories and high safety standards, you should consider this one. What people say. The versatility and functionality of the attachments were very impressive for the price, so I ordered these new leads and was not disappointed. Excellent quality, silicone wire, soft and flexible, recommend. The cords feel like soft silicone, cords are long. The connectors fit the inputs of my Fluke 107 meter perfectly, they stay put. The Alligator clips actually screw onto the probe so they can't fall off. I also appreciate the little covers that cover all but the last 1/8 inch of the probe tip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.